Today, we are going to cover the top 5 best drones in 2026 based on camera quality, flight time, stability, transmission range, smart features, and overall value. We included drones for beginners, travel creators, and advanced users who want professional-level aerial performance. So whether you are buying your first drone or upgrading your current setup, this list will help you choose the right one. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Ruko U11 Mini 4K drone with GPS, 3-axis gimbal, and 96-minute flight time. This is a lightweight, beginner-friendly 4K drone designed for users who want high-quality aerial footage without complicated controls. It features GPS positioning, a 3-axis gimbal for stability, and a very impressive total flight time of up to 96 minutes using multiple batteries. It's also under 249 grams, making it easier to use in many regions without strict registration requirements. This drone is designed for stability and ease of use. The GPS system makes it very reliable for beginners, especially when flying outdoors. The 3-axis gimbal significantly improves video smoothness, reducing shakiness even in windy conditions. Overall, it feels like a safe and dependable drone for first-time users who want cinematic footage without complexity. Pros: very stable flight performance, excellent battery life with multiple batteries, easy for beginners to control, good camera stabilization, lightweight and travel-friendly. This is one of the best entry-level 4K drones for beginners who want long flight time and stable aerial shots without a steep learning curve. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 drone with 4K, AI tracking, and 10-kilometer range. This is a compact, travel-friendly drone designed for creators who want smart tracking features and long transmission range. It offers AI-powered subject tracking, vertical shooting, and strong 4K camera performance in a lightweight body. This drone stands out for its smart AI features. The tracking system works well for capturing moving subjects like walking, cycling, or travel shots. The long-range transmission also gives more freedom when flying in open areas. It's a strong competitor in the mid-range drone category, especially for content creators. Pros: excellent AI tracking features, strong transmission range, lightweight and portable, great for social media content, smooth, stabilized footage. This is a great drone for travel creators and vloggers who want smart tracking and long-range flying in a compact design. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus drone with 48 megapixels, 3-axis gimbal, and 74-minute flight time. This is a more advanced drone designed for users who want high-resolution photography and strong transmission range. It offers 48-megapixel still images and stable 4K video with a professional-grade stabilization system. This drone focuses heavily on image quality and range. The photos are extremely detailed, making it suitable for landscape and travel photography. It also performs very well in outdoor conditions due to its strong GPS stability and long-distance control. While it's slightly larger than ultra-compact drones, it provides better control and more professional output. Pros: very high-quality photos, long transmission range, stable GPS flight system, strong battery performance, good for semi-professional use. This is a great choice for users who want high-quality photography and long-range flight without paying premium flagship prices. Number 4. Ruko 4K UHD GPS Drone with triple battery system and 96-minute flight time. This is a stable and beginner-friendly drone for long flight sessions and reliable GPS performance. It focuses on endurance, making it ideal for users who want extended flying time without constantly recharging. This drone is built for stability and endurance rather than advanced cinematic control. The triple battery system is a major advantage for users who want longer shooting sessions. It's very beginner-friendly and works well for travel, vlogging, and casual aerial photography. Pros: very long total flight time, stable GPS performance, easy for beginners, good camera quality for the price, strong safety features. This is a strong option for beginners or casual users who prioritize long flight time and simple operation. Number 5. Budget Mini FPV Drone with brushless motor, 360-degree flips, and FPV live view. This is a budget-friendly FPV drone designed for beginners who want fun flying experiences and basic aerial recording. It focuses more on entertainment features rather than professional photography. FPV live video transmission, brushless motor system, 360-degree flips and stunt modes, foldable mini design, supports SD card recording, and under 250 grams lightweight structure. This drone is more of a fun flying device than a professional camera drone. It's easy to fly, stable enough for beginners, and includes FPV mode for real-time viewing. However, it's not designed for high-end cinematic footage. Pros: very affordable option, fun stunt features, FPV live viewing, easy to operate, portable foldable design. This is best for beginners or hobby users who want a fun FPV flying experience at a low price. After reviewing all 5 drones, here is the final breakdown. If you're a beginner, the first and fourth drones are the best choices because they offer stability, long flight time, and easy controls. If you're a content creator, the second drone is the best option with AI tracking and smart shooting features. If you want high-quality photography and long-range performance, the third drone is the strongest choice. And if you're on a budget or want a fun FPV experience, the fifth drone is the best entry-level option.